that you cannot create or destroy energy, but we certainly use it and pay for it. So what does get used up? It's the usefulness of the energy that gets used as the energy gets dissipated as waste heat. For example, the food mixer transfers the energy carried by the electric current into the movement and sound. The mixer and the food also gets hot. Which of these energies is useful? Clearly, only the movement is useful. The sound and heat are wasted energy. And once the food is mixed, where is the energy now? It's been scattered as the sound is absorbed by the walls, making them a tiny bit hotter, and the warm food mixer gradually cools as its heat is spread into the room. We can also draw it like this. The height of the box represents the amount of energy that's put in. The height of the next box represents the amount of useful energy. The width of any boxes pointing downwards represent the amount of wasted energy. Let's look at light bulbs and work out how efficient they are. First, an old-fashioned filament bulb. Only 5 of 100 joules is useful, so it's 5% efficient. Now LED. 75 joules are useful out of 100, so it's 75% efficient. That's why we are no longer using filament bulbs. Can you calculate the efficiency for this lamp? Efficiency equals useful energy transferred divided by energy supplied times 100. There are ways in which energy transfers can be made more efficient. For example, the use of lubrication can reduce friction and therefore reduce the transfer to heat. The use of thermal insulation can also reduce the loss of heat. A house can be insulated in a variety of ways to reduce heat loss. Insulation can be added to the attic or loft. Double glazing can be used on the windows. Draft excluders can be fitted to the doors. And cavity wall insulation can be used and carpets can be laid. This infrared image shows how heat is lost from a house. The brighter the image appears, the greater the heat loss. Look at the difference adding insulation makes. So this is how we can calculate energy efficiency and make some devices more efficient.